Assalamu alaikum, Mabinchi family. Sannu muda haka, kuma sannu muda shan ruwa. Today is Ramadan day 7, almost 1 week. 1 week kenan yanzu gano da aka fara Ramadan. Allah ya karbi ibadunmu, Ubangijin Allah ya sa mun dace. Tadda ki dama kenke a sha ruwa da shin nan. Why not ki try one? She a sha ruwa da shi. This one will be heavy. Me shin ya sha ya ce yayi ashama ya koma and the person is okay. We use mashed kenkey, then frozen mango. Yes, already mango is in season. Then we use cashew da almond. But now, if you don't have this, you can use gujia. We use butterscotch essence. One the she kuma can use mbaki the one kuma that's okay. Then milk and honey. She don't use she blend tuka all together. She samo mango infused mashed cake. We'll start by putting our mangoes, frozen mango inside. Kashma hayatu narikima. So next is our nuts. So nuts in Nayankuyo, you can use gujia, kokai can use gujia, depending on whichever that kasamon na. That's okay for sugar. She butterscotch condensed milk. Then our milk. One, as you can see, the picture there is already telling a story that we use mango, the Fante Kenkey. Okay, so it's basically mango infused mashed cake, but now add some nuts and milk. I can blend all together. So have a taste and give our audience the feedback.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I've been cheating. I'm concerned about what's happening. So, okay.
But anyway, Abdul, your comment is concerned, and then I'll give my
Mango flavor, not just more. You know, Kenkey, I know we won't get with the someone.
And come on, because sometimes eating at dawn is very hard. So one cause I'm sure it will take you long. Yeah, taking the 2 hours a day now.
No, I won't want to. Okay,
now.